Natural light has the power to transform a home, making it feel more open, inviting, and warm. For homeowners in West Jordan, maximizing natural light through energy-efficient window installation can offer numerous benefits, from enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home to lowering energy costs. By choosing the right windows and professional installation, you can make the most of natural light while ensuring comfort and efficiency year-round. Here's how energy-efficient window installation can brighten up your home and improve your living environment. Bringing more natural light into your home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to allow more natural light into your home without compromising on insulation or comfort. By opting for larger window sizes, expansive glass panels, or even strategically placed windows, you can transform dark, enclosed rooms into bright and inviting spaces. Natural light boosts mood, improves productivity, and creates an uplifting atmosphere in every room. Modern window designs, such as bay windows, picture windows, and sliding glass doors, offer increased surface area for sunlight to enter. The result is a brighter home that feels more spacious and connected to the outdoors. Reducing energy costs and increasing efficiency. Incorporating more natural light doesn't have to mean increased energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are specifically engineered to minimize heat transfer, providing superior insulation to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Features such as double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames reduce heat loss while letting in natural light. For West Jordan homeowners, this translates into reduced reliance on artificial lighting and HVAC systems, which can lead to significant energy savings over time. Enjoy the benefits of natural light without worrying about increased energy bills. Enhancing home comfort. Energy-efficient windows provide a comfortable living environment by reducing drafts, minimizing hot or cold spots, and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. This level of comfort is particularly important for West Jordan's fluctuating climate, where temperatures can vary widely between seasons. By maximizing natural light while maintaining effective insulation, energy-efficient windows create a cozy and enjoyable home environment. You'll appreciate the warmth of the sun during chilly winter months and the cool comfort of shaded interiors during hot summers, all without sacrificing your energy efficiency. Protecting your interior from harmful UV rays. While natural light has numerous benefits, excessive exposure to ultraviolet (UV) rays can fade furniture, flooring, and other interior items. Energy-efficient windows often feature UV-blocking coatings that allow sunlight to enter while filtering out harmful rays. This protection preserves the integrity and beauty of your interior decor, reducing the need for costly replacements or repairs. You can enjoy abundant natural light without worrying about sun damage, making your home a healthier and more visually appealing space. Customizable options for style and functionality. The energy-efficient window installation offers a range of customizable options to suit your home's architecture and design preferences. From classic double-hung windows and elegant casement windows to sleek modern designs with minimal frames, you can choose windows that enhance your home's style while maximizing natural light. Consider options like skylights or large glass patio doors to further increase light penetration in living areas, kitchens, and hallways. Professional window installers can help you select and customize windows that align with your goals for natural light and energy efficiency. Increasing home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient window installation not only improves the interior comfort of your home but also enhances its curb appeal and overall value. Modern, stylish windows make a strong first impression and convey that your home is well maintained and up to date. Potential buyers appreciate the benefits of energy-efficient features, making your home more attractive in the competitive West Jordan market. Maximizing natural light and reducing energy costs are appealing selling points that can increase the resale value of your home. Whether you're planning to stay or sell, energy-efficient windows offer long-term value and beauty. Professional installation matters. To fully enjoy the benefits of energy-efficient windows, it's essential to work with professional installers who have the expertise to ensure a proper fit and seal. Proper installation minimizes air leaks, prevents water infiltration, and guarantees optimal energy performance. Experienced installers in West Jordan understand the local climate and building codes, ensuring your windows provide maximum light, insulation, and durability. Brighten your home with energy-efficient windows. Maximizing natural light through energy-efficient window installation is a smart investment for West Jordan homeowners. By bringing more sunlight into your home, you can create a welcoming and uplifting atmosphere while enjoying energy savings and improved comfort. Choose windows that blend style and efficiency, and work with skilled professionals to ensure flawless installation. With energy-efficient windows, you'll transform your home into a brighter, more comfortable space that enhances your quality of life and stands out in the neighborhood. Enjoy the benefits of natural light and energy efficiency all year long.